Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy A10e, and then we are going to process with FRP. Internet. I'm going to. You don't need to use my same password for my AZ Solutions channel because it won't gonna be the same. As you can see, it has a ID into it. The FRP, the Google account is locked. What are you going to need? You're gonna need you need a sharp tool like this or like this. You're gonna need a SIM card, and you need a new phone just to lock this card SIM. I'm gonna insert it into it, and I'm going to lock it. Now I insert the SIM card. Je mets SIM card sur l'autre téléphone pour que moi mette un code sur lui. Set up SIM card. I'm going to enable it. For example, 3040. Okay. Now my SIM card is locked. Comme des dit non, mes chers amis, on a besoin de trois bagages. C'est un SIM. Faut que SIM n'a rien code sur lui. Okay, now I don't need this phone anymore. Et on a besoin de chose, quelques outils pour entrer. Maintenant, qui ça va le faire? Now you are going to eject the SIM card tray. Quand vous mettez SIM là, vous allez mettre le dehors. Et vous allez insérer SIM ça. You're going to insert this new card SIM into it. Oh my goodness. Should I see something like this? Okay. Put it in the zone. Don't enter it into it. Don't insert it into it at all. Now I'm going to come back. Okay, just gonna let you see because après nous façon pour nous capable because sometimes it's a little bit difficult. Parfois l'antigen difficile. Now I'm gonna choose a Wi-Fi network. I want you to see what am I going to do right now. This is the SIM card tray. Okay, là moi pas insérer là-dedans. Moi mettre le dehors et moi utiliser ça. M'a tout mettre là Titua in the zone. Okay, and now okay, on garde ensemble. Moi insérer, moi pourquoi entrer là-dedans. On prend l'entrée li. Automatiquement fin entrer li m'a peser ça pendant la marcher, il m'a viré ça. While it's gonna turn around, insert it and insert it. I'm sorry. No, I can't. I'm sorry. Il va prendre. We'll try again. Moi, avant entrer li, m'a pesé next. Gardez jeu de mots. I want you to see what am I going to do. I want you to see clearly what I'm going to do. Insert it, next, and eject it, and press OK. I'm sorry. Oh my goodness. Insert, next, and I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry guys because it's a little bit difficult. Let me choose this tool instead into it. Like this. Going to insert. I use a light just to let you see all my moves. Okay, just I'm going to insert it. Okay, insert. Okay, I'm going to insert it. I'm sorry. Let's come back. Next. And my goodness. What did you? Next. Sorry. Set it, reject it, insert it. Try again. Give you what the videos are made. We're gonna try. Go and go. Okay, as you can see, I touch the lock, and then I try and I use the little icon that you just seen, and that's good. When I go into see all, thank you so much. Alright, I don't need it anymore. Throw it out, right? And I'm going to recently all. I'm going to choose YouTube. You will scroll down in apps notification, about YouTube term and service. Now this is Chrome. I'm going to type VNWAR bypass. Choose the first icon. You're gonna need two apps. You're gonna download Android 8 Google Account Manager. Okay, and after you are going to download FRP. FRP bypass. To download. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm going to choose Android. I'm going to install it. On peut installer, on peut finir installer, on peut aider dans l'application ça yo, on va ouvrir les faire dedans et m'a choisi FRP bypass. Malheureusement, le télécharge des fois. Both of them was downloading, installed. And now you are going to enter a valid account into it. Sign in, browser sign in. Okay, you're gonna download it. The valid account. AFRP bypass. AFRP 2020 bypass. Now I'm gonna enter my password. Mad. Allez qui va. Allez qui va me faire vidéo m'a fait yo. Ça va pas gamme non? You tout là tout fait. Now you are going to set up the phone. As you can see, account added. Ça veut dire la compte là comme c'est ajouté à entrer sur l'y ajouter. Getting account info. I don't need to restore anything. Not now. Escape anyway. Adding finishing touches may take a few minutes. Skip. Tout est terminé. All done. Tout est fini. Got my phone. My phone is ready for using. As you can see, I used these apps. Just so that you see which phone type of phone it is. Android 9. Okay, Android 9. Just okay. It's a Samsung. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, as I usually tell you at the end of all my videos, and to have the new features, new items. We're gonna be daily. Abonnez pour que vous ayez possibilité de vous joindre à chaque moment, chaque vidéo qui tombe sur channel là. Thank you so much, guys.